Windows has a problem. It's functional, sure, but it's not beautiful. To get a setup like this, you usually need about 5 different programs, a wallpaper engine for the background, remitter for your widgets, and a dozen extensions for your browser. It's heavy, it's complicated, and it slowed down your PC. So I got tired and decided to build a solution for that. A lightweight Windows app that handles your wallpapers, widgets, and your aesthetic browsing all in one place. And today I'm going to show you how it exactly works and how it's going to change your desktop experience forever. The goal of this app is simplicity. So when you first open the app, you are going to see this beautiful dashboard where we have the sidebar on the left side, and it's looking pretty clean with that acrylic feel to give it a more professional look. And there are 3 main sections of this app. We have the wallpaper section where you can browse through millions of wallpapers over here, and any wallpaper over here is also high quality. You're gonna see the wallpaper size and also the file size over here, which shows that the wallpaper you are actually downloading is the best quality you can ever get for your wallpaper. And if you find any wallpaper which you want to set as your desktop wallpaper, you just have to click on set as wallpaper, and it will automatically download the wallpaper and set it as your background wallpaper for you. And it's pretty simple. And over here too, you can also click on the full screen over here to set the wallpaper as full screen in order to see how it will look like when it's been set as your wallpaper. And it's pretty simple. So if you want it, you just click on set as your background wallpaper, and it will automatically set the wallpaper for you pretty easily. And also when we head to this library section, we have all the downloaded wallpapers over here, and it's pretty clean. So here, if you want to set any wallpaper you've already downloaded, you just go ahead and set it over here, and it will automatically set for you pretty quickly and faster. And the next section I'm going to show you is the live wallpaper section, and here we have a full live wallpaper section over here, which is absolutely free. You don't need to go and download those sketchy applications or the paid softwares like wallpaper engine and the rest. You have everything here. So here, if you have any live wallpaper you really want to set on your computer, you just have to just click on it and select it up, and it can be any type of video that you have. So when you click on it, you just add it to your library, and here you can just click on it to set as your background wallpaper, and it's pretty fast and simple. So I have some few live wallpapers I've already added, and when I click on it, it automatically set for me. And this is pretty simple and fast, and also this is by far the fastest lightweight live wallpaper application you can ever find. It doesn't consume a lot of resources, and it's fully built on Rust, and this is perfect. So once you have your live wallpaper or any wallpaper set, then you need to have some few tweaks in order to give it a nice beautiful feel. And that's where I created this section called the remitter, and here you can set a lot of skins over here for free, and all these skins are powered by remitter, and you can even request your own, and I'm willing to add it for you. So here, if you get any skin that you really want to set on your desktop to give it a nice feel, you just have to click on install and just click on install again, and it will automatically set for you. And here you can see I have a nice Sunday clock over here which shows my time and also the date, and this is beautiful. So with this, you can set as many as you want, and they have beautiful ones like this one too, which I can also install, and it's going to add it over here, and you can see for yourself it has added the clock and everything. One nice thing is that it's powered by remitter, so if I click on this, I can minimize this, and I'm going to see a full remitter session where I can manage all the skins I've added. So if I don't want the date, I can just click on it to unload everything that I've already added, and this is pretty simple, clean and professional. So once you have a beautiful skin set on your computer, you're going to see it has actually elevated your entire look. What I normally do is I always want to go with a nice clean setup, and with this I can just right click on my taskbar and go to my taskbar settings, and here I can set automatically hide taskbar, and it's going to give my computer a nice clean look. So anytime I open my computer or my laptop, you're going to see this beautiful clean look, and it's like it has transformed our boring look to a nice professional look. And this is what we really want. We want a setup that gives our computer a clean, beautiful look without sacrificing our resources, and I think this is by far the best. And one beautiful thing about this app is that you have everything in one place, and with this you don't need to go to any sketchy website to go and download wallpaper or go for these premium applications like Wallpaper Engine to actually set a live wallpaper, or also go and search for remitter skins. You have everything all in one software, and with this is by far what you need for your customization if you really want to go with a minimal setup. And if you want to go with this setup, that's where you can just check my channel for crazy customization setup like a full Mac OS makeover and the rest. But if you really want to go with a professional smooth one, this is by far the best. I built this for the community, for the people who really cares about their desktop experience and really wanted to elevate it. It's light, it's professional, and most importantly, it works. If you want to see the behind the scene how I build this application and how I make all this works, then hit the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of my latest video. And also, if you have anything you want to talk about it regarding this app and other features, or if you really want me to integrate something inside, make sure you link it in the comment below and I'll respond to you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace out.